In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw your DOGS token to Bybit step by step without missing the memo. First, open the Bybit app and log in. Tap Assets, then Deposit, choose Crypto, and search for DOGS. Select DOGS, then pick the TON network. Now Bybit will show two things: a deposit address and sometimes a memo/comment. Copy the address, and if a memo appears, copy that too. This memo is important because exchanges use it to identify your deposit. Next, open the wallet where your DOGS is stored, like Telegram Wallet, TonKeeper, or the DOGS mini app. Tap Send or Withdraw, choose DOGS, and paste the Bybit address. If there's a comment/memo field, paste the Bybit memo exactly as shown. Enter the amount and make sure you have a little TON for network fees. Confirm the transfer, then check assets on Bybit for the incoming deposit. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.